Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, USB-C cable from Baseus for 100 watts, and now I'm gonna show you does this cable has USB 3.0, which speed of this USB cable, and else information. So as you can see, here we have normal black color inside. We have no any information about USB 3.0. Here we have only text that we have 100 watts, and it's very good information for us. And what we can tell you about it. So we need to check it, just check. So here we have the tool to check the speed of cables. So oops, USB cable, find it, open, and connect, and go. So what we can know about this cable, that here we have speed just only USB 2.0. 2.0 is limited up to 480 megabits per second, so it's something around 35 megabytes per second when you're moving or sending big files, and of course this speed will less when you send in thousands of small files. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.